Ah!
This is the worst thing that could happen.
No! Me.
1 hour
Earlier. There's this crazy little race called the LA Tourist. Part alley cat, part gravel grind, all kinds of suffering. All is lost.
Oh no!
Or is it? Let's take a look into the repair kit.
A few zip ties, a Lizine pump, my glasses, a wolf tooth pliers, Pedro's tire levers, a Dynaplug, 2 CO2 canisters, or even 3 sometimes, just in case. A canister head, bike tool. The patch kit is a spare valve stem, a couple of repair gloves. Yeah, I got tools. I'm good. We meet again! Ah! Oh my god! Snake! Snake! Big old snake! Ah! Oh my god.